Can make German oven pancakes. Get your cast iron, heat it up. We're gonna put the oven at 425 degrees. Get it preheated. Start cast iron and put it in there. Yeah, 4 eggs. Mix them. Mix all the eggs. Now we're gonna add a level cup of flour. We also add a cup of milk right in there. At this point, I can also add a pinch of salt. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Now it's lumpy, but that's okay. We're just gonna mix it as best we can and then just let it sit. Now while that is resting and sitting, we're gonna go back into the oven and get that pan in there for like 15 minutes or so. Maybe like 5 minutes. Because while that's hot, we're gonna add butter to it. Got our buttered pan. Our batter has sat and there's no more lumps in it. It's nice and smooth now. Show me too, just a little bit. Get into the pan, Oliver, remember? Into the pan, please. I always pour it around and then keep a little island of butter in the middle. All in there. So just get any kind of like granulated sugar and you're gonna I'm just gonna whoosh, just coat kind of evenly, not overly applying. You don't want it to like sink all to the bottom, you just kind of want it coated on top. I'm probably doing about 4 tablespoons. Cinnamon. M&M's. Make sure it's not chili powder. Not that I've ever done that. Creates a different meal altogether. M&M's. Fantastic. And the oven is preheated. Gently. Oh, it's heavy. It's a heavy one. Right on top. Hello? Put that in there. I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes and then check it. Just to see what's happening. Is it actually action?
Yes.
Acciones? Come in tight. Come in real tight. Oh. Look at that monster. Oh my goodness. Come closer.
I'm gonna zoom in because
Don't zoom in, walk in.
okay, like,
Be closer.
it's so hot there.
Oh lordy, lordy, lordy. That's a good looking little crispy edges right there. Ooh, that'll be very, very happy. Give me that!
Butter.
Mmm.
It's gourmet.
Num nums.